How have you found Divine Healing 2 after 4 days?
So the first 3 days, I did feel quite wiped out and quite spacey, and I did find it hard to focus on the screen sometimes. I kept like going cross-eyed and just zoning out. But now that we're on day 4, I feel so much cleaner in myself, in my energy fields and everything, and I feel uh, I want to say back to normal, but not back to normal. I just feel more myself and more present and aware. And I've really enjoyed the 4 days. So thank you.
Thank you. Lauren, what do you take away from Divine Healing 2?
This was just really wonderful. I'm really excited because with level 1, it was always really hard for me to want to work on myself. And in fairness, like some of those charts are just harder to hold the space for yourself. Whereas I can really see, because some of these are more straightforward in the process, that'll be easier for me to actually do them on myself. So I'm really excited about having not only the internal shift, but also feeling like the work supports that. And yeah, this was really, really great. And I'm also really happy I'd started Light Body, because I do think that helped me to like absorb everything, which was my motivation for getting started anyway. So I'm really happy about that.
Okay, thank you. Angel, how have things changed over 4 days for you of Divine Healing 2?
Wow. Yeah, so many things that I have worked on for the last 30 years and thought I had dealt with came up this time. I had an angry outburst, just one sentence, but for me, quite a powerful thing to do, of something that I'd worked on. But I sort of worked on it and thought, that's enough of that. You know, I'm not going there again. And I'd sort of thrown it away. I've dealt with that. I've dealt with that. But now I feel I've really dealt with that. So I had 3 days of very up and down, ecstatic almost. And then, oh my God, I'm a bit overwhelmed. There's so much. It's so deep. And you have to be so authentic when you're receiving healing. And sometimes that's hard to be so open. But today was just the best. It was just amazing, magical. And the healing that I did with Andrew was fantastic. What I gave and received was exactly what was needed, I believe. Thank you. It was wonderful.
Thank you. All right, Savita, how do you feel now after 4 days? What are you taking away from level 2?
I feel like level 2 has really been about fine-tuning. You know, level 1 was just such a holy grail in my life that it came at the perfect time. And even though I'd worked so much on myself and I continue to work, level 1 really gave me a powerful push to clear the whole system, I felt. Then doing the the Light Body with Amanda was just propelling it forward. And now here with this, it feels like I have like just what we did, the brain, you know, brain fog, helping with people with surgery, all of the tools that feel like a gift. And participating in the healings as a team with the classmates felt just perfectly orchestrated. Yeah, it was so many things. It was magical and challenging and affirming, and just I'm really excited to use this now with family, with myself, with clients. Thank you.
Thank you. Sonia, how's it been? How have things transformed?
It's been great. I was so excited to come, and the charts we went through were just so powerful. The shock and trauma release chart was really just really going into the intricacies about how much trauma we carry in our bodies, and all the charts just seem to add like additional insight into my own life and how I can work with clients and help them to connect the dots and bring deeper healing. And so I'm still processing a lot of it, but it was a wonderful experience.
Okay, thank you. Masuma.
I feel so at home with this body of work. And with all of you. So I love really sharing this energy, and being on this vibration with my soul family. I always gravitated towards like magical, mystical energy work. And I always felt like I felt so alone, like when I would speak about it, I felt like a freak. And like I like that someone else speaks my language and I feel at home with you guys and this body of work. So I really appreciate it. I feel more clear and aligned about who I am and what I'm here to do, what I'm here to contribute to the advancement of our species, to the ascension of humanity and Mother Earth. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I just found this to be miraculous, like miraculous healing. And that's what I was praying for on Wednesday night. With no expectations of how, when, where, and who. And every time I went into a session, and especially with mine with you, Nicolas, things that I have been trying to heal, even with level 1, were just dissolving easier than they ever did before. And I really do feel changed, more than I've ever felt that. And I'm just so grateful. And Amanda, I can't tell you, like you were in a couple of my breakout room sessions, and things that you've said to me really impacted me so strongly. And they've changed me. And the people that I've worked with, I just want to say thank you, because you helped me so much.
Okay,
Damn,
thanks.
I wish I said that on the damn thing.
What sit it on what? On the testimonial part?
On the testimonial.
I can cut that in if you want. You okay
Yes,
with that?
cut it in, yes.
Okay, we'll cut it in.
I thought I was just going to be like,
CD to testimonials. I can put that in there because that was great.